Importing a wallet address into Debank is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency wallets and Debank's interface. To start, it is essential to understand what Debank is and its purpose. Debank is a comprehensive crypto wallet management platform that allows users to track their assets, transactions, and portfolios across multiple blockchain networks. The first step in importing a wallet address into Debank is to create an account on the Debank platform. This involves providing a valid email address, creating a password, and verifying the account through an email confirmation link. Once the account is set up, navigate to the Wallet section of the Debank dashboard. To import a wallet address, click on the Add Wallet button and select the Import Wallet option. Debank will then prompt for the wallet address and the blockchain network it belongs to. It is crucial to ensure the correct blockchain network is selected to avoid any potential issues with the import process. When entering the wallet address, make sure to copy and paste it from the original source to minimize the risk of typos or errors. Debank will then sync the wallet address with its database and retrieve the associated transaction history and balance information. One of the best practices for importing a wallet address into Debank is to double-check the address for accuracy before confirming the import. This can be done by verifying the address with the original wallet provider or by checking the address on a blockchain explorer. Another essential best practice is to ensure the wallet address being imported is not already linked to another Debank account. This can help prevent any potential security risks or conflicts with the wallet's transaction history. In terms of security, it is recommended to enable two-factor authentication on the Debank account and to use a strong password. Additionally, it is advisable to regularly review and update the wallet addresses imported into Debank to ensure they remain accurate and secure. By following these steps and best practices, users can efficiently and securely import their wallet addresses into Debank and start tracking their crypto assets and transactions in one convenient location. Regularly reviewing and updating the imported wallet addresses will help maintain the security and accuracy of the Debank account.